Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing variables. Power off the TV and router for 30 seconds to clear transient faults, then power them back on. While that reboots, make sure your Samsung TV firmware and the YouTube app are up to date so compatibility issues are ruled out. Next, verify network connectivity, check Wi-Fi strength, or try a wired Ethernet connection, and confirm the TV received an IP address. These quick steps eliminate the most common causes before diving deeper. Once the basics are confirmed, clear the YouTube app cache and data in the TV's apps or storage settings. This removes corrupt temporary files that cause black screens. If that doesn't fix it, uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app to restore a clean install. Make sure to sign back into your account after reinstall. If black screen persists, reset the Smart Hub to refresh platform services. This is more disruptive, so do it only after app-level resets fail. To finalize, isolate by testing other streaming apps and an HDMI source. If only YouTube blacks out, the issue is app-related. Disable advanced video features like HDR or VRR in picture settings because incompatible rendering can produce a black screen. If necessary, perform a factory reset after noting your settings. This removes stubborn software-side corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: if the problem returns after updates, roll back network changes and try a different DNS such as 8 to rule out resolution issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.